Here's the Toyota RAV4. Let's go ahead and get started. Open up the driver's side door. Right over there at the bottom is the primary hood release lever. Pull it. Now in front of the vehicle, right on top of the Toyota emblem, put one finger in there and then push it left. You're pushing on the secondary hood release lever. When you push left, lift up the hood. This is how the lever works. Now this hood requires a prop rod to stay in place. So grab the rod, put it right over there in that slot, and now it's secured. Once the hood is open, that right there is where your engine air filter is. To access it, we have to undo two clips, 1 and 2. And now to get this cover off, there are two tabs over there in the back, which are in those two slots. We need to slide this cover out of there first. So lift it up at an angle and slide it out. Good. Now you can comfortably access the filter. Lift up the cover, grab the filter, get it out. The top side of the filter is the clean side, the bottom side is the dirty side. So outside air comes from the bottom, all the dirt gets trapped over there, and then clean air from the top goes in the engine. Check the link in the description to buy the new one from Amazon for yourself. Before you put it in, you can vacuum that area in the air box if it's very dirty. You don't have to, but it's just nice to do. The new filter should be the exact size as the old filter that you take out, so that when you put it in, it just drops in. No movement, no gaps, it just drops right in. Let's put the cover back on. You need to get those two tabs in the slots 1 and 2. Make sure they're both in properly the way I'm showing, because only then will you be able to put those clips on. Now it's in. Let's put one clip on, the second one on, and that is pretty much it. To close the hood, first push on the hood and get load off the prop rod. Get the rod out of that slot and put it back in its place. Lower the hood and slam it shut. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.